10 steps to future-proofing your website for AI. Since fewer people are visiting your website and instead relying on AI for their answers, you need to make sure that AI gives all your correct answers to those searching. There are actually a few reliable sources AI uses that you control: your Google listing, YouTube videos you create, and your website. So this chat is about how to make sure that AI can indeed discover and read your website. Here are the 10 steps to ensure your website is found by AI. 1. Think of your website as your smartest salesperson, especially if you have a chatbot built into it. Check out my previous video for those details. It's often the first interaction a customer has with your brand. To stay competitive, your site must evolve to work with AI tools, not against them. Second, be search engine and AI engine ready. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, and others are pulling answers from websites, blogs, Google listings, and YouTube. So, you must ensure your website content is well-structured using headers, alt text, schema markup, easy to scrape and understand by machines, answering actual user questions in natural language. 3. Integrate AI chat support. Add a chatbot trained on your site's content like FAQ, policies, product info, benefits. Once they get to your site, they want fast answers and 24/7 support. It helps reduce your staff burden while extending their knowledge, increases conversion rates by 40%, and increases customer satisfaction. 4. Optimize your site for voice search and natural language. People are now talking to search tools. Use conversational question-based headlines like, "What's the best time to visit us?" Prioritize local SEO and location-based answers. 5. Make your site data ready. Clean, consistent data structure, product names, prices, inventory. Prepare your site for AI-powered integrations like personalized product recommendations, artificially generated customer emails, predictive analytics dashboards. 6. Content creation pipelines with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate SEO blogs, update product descriptions, refresh old content with trending keywords. Still needs human oversight, but saves tons of time. 7. Accessibility equals AI compatibility. Ensure your site is accessible to all. This also makes it easier for AI to interpret alt tags for images, readable text structures, mobile optimization. 8. Privacy and ethical AI use. Be transparent about AI use, like chatbots analytics. Future-proof by following data privacy laws, GDPR, CPPA. Use opt-in consent for AI-generated recommendations or personalization. 9th, plan for future AI integrations. Make sure your site platform is API-friendly, like Wix, Shopify, WordPress with plugins. Look for platforms already integrating AI tools like Wix ADI, Shopify Magic. 10. Train your team. Future-proofing isn't just about tools, it's about people. Regularly train your staff on AI updates and use cases, how to create edit content with AI in mind, how to interact with chatbot and analytic platforms. Hope this helps.